If you like trading meme coins across multiple chains, well then this video is for you. Arguably, one of the most painful experiences about trying to trade meme coins is a lack of being able to transfer seamlessly between Solana or BNB or Base or even mainnet Ethereum. It takes time, it costs money, bridges are expensive, and you don't want to be juggling all these different wallets. FOMO just launched a web app that puts it all in one place. I'm going to walk you through that tutorial right now. Full disclosure, shout out to FOMO for this paid partnership. However, as you know, on this channel, I love to trade meme coins on chain, and something that encapsulates all of these chains in one location is exactly what I'm looking for. So let's dive into this tutorial. So FOMO has a app, and I'm going to flash this up on the screen right now. But if you're like me and you like to go outside and not spend 24 hours a day on your charts, I like to be able to trade not only on my mobile, but mainly on my computer. So the beautiful part about this is that FOMO was initially stuck on your phone, but now with this new web app that they're about to launch, you can trade meme coins on your computer. So it's now the same FOMO experience as what you've experienced on the mobile app, but now in your browser. If you already have a FOMO account, you can sign straight in. If you don't, you can sign up down below and use my code right now. And for anyone that's looking to trade meme coins across a range of different chains, FOMO Web App has so many different aspects that I'm going to show you right now so that you can stay up to date with what that platform looks like very soon. And the best part about this is that it's well suited to how the market moves in real time. Now, as of right now, if you do enter my code, you get 10% off fees, as I mentioned before, and it's only accessible still via the App Store, whether that's Google and Android or whether that's Apple and iOS. But very soon, you will have full access to the web app like it shows you here. Having a seamless experience with your deposits and withdrawals is one of the most important parts when looking to trade, particularly on the degenerate side of the market. Why? Because speed actually matters. Let me show you how FOMO Web App makes that so easy for you right now. Come up to the top right corner, it says cash zero. You would deposit right here. I traditionally would send Solana. You can select your wallet. You can QR code it if it's easier, whether you're using Phantom app, all those sorts of things, okay? Base, BNB, and Monad are your deposit chains if you're looking to send crypto here. The other three are EVM compatible, so you would use probably a Phantom obviously works, MetaMask or Ravy Wallet work for those three. Alternatively, and very soon, they will launch obviously credit and debit once the web app is ready, up and going. So for the sake of this video, let me just show you that it does work. Copy your wallet address, come to obviously your app. I'm going to just send a little bit of Sol over right now. I've got a bit of Solana in my wallet, as you can see over here. I'm going to send some Sol. Let's click that. That's my address, and I'm going to send 0.1 Sol. Okay, I haven't obviously sent this before. It's just going to give you a little warning, but it's all good because I know that I've copied it from FOMO app and send the money. Okay, so 0.1 Sol should hopefully come over very soon. Okay, so as you can see here, the 0.1 Solana has arrived. If I click on my profile, I can come over to the side and see that that $8.40 has arrived. As you can see here, 0.1 Sol. Again, you can withdraw from, okay, the profile. You can deposit from the profile as well. All your trades, buys, all trades, sells, are all going to be here. You can see who's following you and who you're following. You can edit your profile here to personalize it, change your PFP, link your X account, all of that. You can follow some of the top traders over on the right as well. And what I love about this is that it actually still has the trending tokens over on the side once you are in your profile. So just to show you how to withdraw, you click the withdraw button, you type in the amount that you have. Obviously, I have $8 on there as well. Continue, you'd paste the Solana wallet address that you're looking to send it to, and obviously the recent transactions would be there as well. So that's super easy to deposit and withdraw on the platform. Any questions, let me know down below. Okay, this next bit is probably the most exciting and interesting part of the whole FOMO web app. So what I love about this is that it gives you updates in real time. No scanning addresses over on Twitter, no waiting for particular calls to talk about a meme coin in a Telegram group or on Twitter themselves. You can literally set up the traders whenever you want over on the side, search them right here. As you can see, Warren Nakamoto, I'm going to select him right now. You can come back and look at the tokens trending right now, most held, all these sorts of things. You can update it in real time. Now, obviously, if you have a contract address from somewhere else, you can come and paste it up the top, or alternatively, you can just search something right now. So let's search for Bonk, for example, okay? Some of the old OGs, and you click on it and bang, it'll take you straight to the Bonk chart. So I love this. It'll keep your history as well to make it really simple when you're looking to trade between all of these different chains. And I mean, say, for example, GOAT continues to rally here over on BNB. Why not look to trade this while also trading some of these degenerate ones over on Solana? Then I can quickly come back to Henry here on Solana and look that it's absolutely capitulated to the downside over the past couple of hours. Then I can go have a look at some of the top trending tokens all on the one page here. I can quickly click on Asteroid. This is the Solana version, and go over on the side here. Keep clicking through some of my favorite memes right now to keep an eye on. Something like Testicle holding up very well here, despite the rest of the correction across the rest of the market. So what I love about this is how simple and easy it is to transfer between the various different cross chains and trade within all of these. And this is just on the trending tab. So for example, maybe I wanted to add maxing to my radar. So I'd click watch list up the top here on the top right. And as you can see, maybe I want to add Testicle as well. Okay, and neat. These are three absolute juggernauts at the moment that have really outperformed a lot. Come over on site, bang, they're under my watch list now as well. Again, you can search trending, you can go most held. Okay, so Pengu's a big one, so I'm going to add that to my watch list. And sure enough, Pengu's very much going through its reaccumulation phase down the bottom, and the bottom might actually be in. We'll have to wait and see. Graduated token, so trade with caution. It gives you a little warning, but these are some of the latest launches. Okay, so if we have a look, majority of these are going to be over on Solana. If we drop down to the 1 minute time frame, because these are all just launching. So if we come and have a look, this one's on Solana. Okay, all of these predominantly are going to be over on Solana. But the point being is how easy it is to just click between these. FOMO have done a fantastic job at integrating the social aspect of crypto trading and meme coin trading alongside the actual use case of trading on the platform in real time. As you can see, you can come and have a look. I'm currently P&L $8.40, rank 12,000 in the past 24 hours. You can come and select all of these and see who over the last period of time has obviously made a lot of money on the platform. As always, none of this is financial advice. This is basically a beginner tutorial to the platform, but I hope this sort of gives you insight into what you can expect when the app goes live for FOMO very, very soon. Now, obviously, meme coin trading is extremely risky, so please always do your own research, guys. Don't blindly gamble and ape into these random low-cap meme coins. But if you are looking to trade them, using the right tools, using the right platform really does matter, and that definitely applies to me. Speed matters, social awareness matters, particularly when you're looking to trade attention and what's happening in real time with news or random memes that go absolutely viral. And having it all inbuilt into one place via the FOMO Web App makes it so easy for you to stay on top of what is actually happening in the degenerate side in real time. Plus the added extra that you can literally trade across multiple chains at the same time, so you don't miss what the best runner is no matter what chain it's on. So FOMO's web app literally launches tomorrow, April 29th, and I'm super excited for you guys to be checking this out very soon. Link is in the description down below. Get a little discount to your trading fees on the platform. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But go have a look, see what you like about it, and let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're already a mobile user, what aspects do you love about the FOMO app, and what would you love to see on the web app that takes it to that next trading level? As always, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you do appreciate this content, like and subscribe, and have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next one.